mosquito. Haven't sprayed the off on yet. Off on? Just off. Put the off on. I bought a stinky slinky. For you guys that don't know what that is, it hooks onto our tanks that are underneath the camper where our wastewater is. There's toilet water, and then there's also sink and bathtub water. They're in two separate tanks, stink water in one and then the sink water in the other. But this right here is a rhino blaster. It has a hose attachment so I can blast the stuff out of there when we're done. Clean the tanks out real good. Haven't used it yet, but just bought it this weekend. So, there's our bench. Let's go in. Okay, this is the front part, which you guys have all seen. But there's the off now. I need to spray some of that a little later. We'll go back out by the fire. I got that clock at a Goodwill for I think $3. Pretty cool. There's some decorating down there. This little thing here on the side, this black piece right here, we're going to put in like brochures from the campgrounds we go to. That's going to be the storage for that. There's a closet there that's got some stuff in it that's you don't need to see. Here's a refrigerator I got from Matt Peatfish. Didn't look like that when I got it, but I painted it. Looks good now. It looked good before, but still got the TV in here. We got the fan blowing. Actually, it's really nice in here right now. Got the microwave over here. Got the air fryer out. We're going to try that in the morning. Cooking some cinnamon rolls. Let's look in the bathroom. Put in this curtain today. I hung this, I think they call that like an octopus hook. Got arms on it. Hang towel or clothes. Plus we have water now. I got the water hooked up to the hose, no leaks. I took a shower in here earlier, worked good. Some of our stuff. There's the toilet. Bought that rug today at Dollar Tree. The curtain we've had, but yeah, it works real good. There's me, of course. Nice looking guy. We got a ceiling fan in here. That works real good. Back here is a master bedroom. Brought this privacy curtain the other night. And the curtain rod works real good. Can't see through it at all. New bed spread. Same curtains. Had that door painted. With this nice border around the top back here. There's the curtain rod. Pretty cool. There's the back side of our TV, which is nothing fancy. Got the trailers wired up. We can pull it now. Got the title and plates. I'll show you that real quick. Where our sunflowers is. This is where my head is in the morning with the sunflowers. There's our new plate. Just got it today. 2810 ml. Trying to figure out what that means to us. Sometimes the plate accidentally will mean something. That one, for some reason right now, we can't figure out. Jesse was born in the 10th month. I was born the 2nd month, the first day. Cheryl was born the 28th of the year she was born. But it's starting to come together. That's me and my sister's initials, Mike and Leisha. Got the campfire rolling now. Guess I got the bug zapper on. Need to get my gutter put back up. Stop! Anyway, flip around, you can see him again. That's where we are today. We're going to be sleeping in here again. We've probably slept in it a dozen times now. Each time feels like we're really camping. I don't know if you can see the smoke going through. Smoky right there. So, if you haven't subscribed, this is going on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do so. Like the video. Hope everybody enjoys these camper videos. That's probably one people have been wanting to see is more of the inside of the camper. Now when we go on our camping trips, I'll be probably filming a little bit out there just to show you some of the ins and outs of the campground, and maybe even have Cheryl run the camera when I try to hook everything up for our first time. That might be funny too. So, well, oh, we're looking for a name for the camper, so I'm gonna put this on Facebook. Everybody that watches this video, comment on a name for the camper. Cheryl doesn't know that it needs a name. She thinks I don't remember what name she'll see the video and put it down. So I thought of I have to have some kind of a lady's name. But it's not the money pit yet, but we have put a little bit of money in it, not a lot. Not bled me dry. So if you think of a name, put it down below, or if I think of some names, you can vote on them. So thanks for watching. Adios, everybody.